Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into some essential travel tips to make your next trip a breeze. Whether you're a seasoned globetrotter or planning your very first adventure, packing and prepping for a trip can feel like a daunting task. But trust me, it doesn't have to be. Over the years, I've learned a thing or two about streamlining the travel process, and today I'm sharing my tried and true tips with you. We'll cover everything from what to pack and how to pack it like a pro, to essential documents you absolutely can't forget. So buckle up, grab a pen and paper, and let's get you ready to explore the world with confidence and ease. And don't forget to like and subscribe and check the description below for special offers. First things first, let's talk about what you absolutely need to pack. Packing can be a daunting task, but with a little planning, it can be a breeze. Now, I'm a firm believer in packing light, but there are a few non-negotiables that make every trip smoother. The key is to prioritize and be strategic about what you bring. Clothing is obviously a must, but think versatile pieces that can be mixed and matched. Choose items that can serve multiple purposes, like a dress that can be dressed up or down, or pants that can be worn casually or for a night out. A good pair of walking shoes is crucial. You never know when adventure might strike. Whether you're exploring a new city or hiking a scenic trail, comfortable shoes can make all the difference. And don't forget a light jacket or sweater, even if you're headed somewhere warm, because airplane temperatures can be unpredictable. It's always better to have an extra layer just in case. Toiletries are another essential category. Think about your daily routine and what you can't live without. Pack travel-sized versions of your must-haves to save space. And remember, most hotels provide the basics like shampoo and conditioner. This way, you can avoid overpacking and still have everything you need. I never leave home without my laptop, phone, and a portable charger. These gadgets keep me connected and entertained, and a portable charger ensures my devices are always powered up. A universal adapter is a lifesaver, especially if you're traveling internationally. Different countries have different plug types, and having a universal adapter means you can charge your devices anywhere. And depending on your destination, a good book or your favorite travel guide can be great companions. They can provide entertainment during downtime and valuable information about your destination. Remember, this is just a starting point. Think about your destination, the activities you'll be doing, and pack accordingly. Consider the weather, cultural norms, and any specific gear you might need for activities like hiking, swimming, or attending formal events. The goal is to be prepared without being weighed down by unnecessary items. Happy travels! Alright, now that you know what to pack, let's talk about how to pack it. Packing isn't just about throwing things into a suitcase, it's about strategy and efficiency. Think of it as a game of Tetris, where every item has its perfect spot. Efficient packing is an art form, and I'm here to tell you, anyone can master it. It's not just for seasoned travelers or organizational gurus. With a few simple techniques, you can transform your packing routine and make your travel experience much smoother. My secret weapon? Packing cubes. These versatile tools are essential for anyone looking to keep their belongings in order. They come in various sizes, allowing you to categorize and separate your items easily. These little zippered wonders are a game changer. Not only do they help you stay organized, but they also make it easier to find what you need without rummaging through your entire suitcase. They compress your clothes, keep everything organized, and make living out of a suitcase a breeze. Imagine being able to pull out a cube with all your shirts or another with all your socks. It's like having a mini dresser in your luggage. Roll your clothes instead of folding them. It saves space and prevents wrinkles. Rolling is particularly effective for items like t-shirts, jeans, and casual wear. It also allows you to see everything at a glance, making it easier to find what you need. Shoes can take up a ton of room, so use them to your advantage. Place them along the edges of your suitcase to create a stable base, and then fill them with smaller items. Stuff socks, underwear, or other small items inside to maximize space. This not only saves room, but also helps maintain the shape of your shoes. And don't forget about the nooks and crannies. Those small spaces between larger items are perfect for things like belts, chargers, and other accessories. Utilize every inch of your suitcase, even those awkward spaces between handles. These areas are often overlooked, but can be perfect for flat items like books or documents. Trust me, with a little planning and these packing hacks, you'll be amazed at how much you can fit in your luggage. Not only will you save space, but you'll also save time and reduce stress during your travels. So go ahead, channel your inner Tetris master, and pack like a pro. All right, let's talk about the not so fun but incredibly important stuff. Documents. Before you even think about heading to the airport, make sure you have all your essential paperwork in order. First and foremost, your passport. Check the expiration date. You don't want any surprises at the check-in counter. If you're traveling internationally, make sure you have any necessary visas well in advance. Travel insurance is another must-have. It gives you peace of mind knowing you're covered in case of unexpected events like medical emergencies or lost luggage. Keep digital and physical copies of your flight and hotel confirmations, as well as any other important reservations. It's always better to be safe than sorry. We've all been there, that heart-stopping moment when you realize you've forgotten something crucial. But don't worry, I've got you covered. The key to avoiding those pre-trip freakouts is simple. Make a checklist. Start a few weeks before your departure date and jot down everything you need to pack, buy, or do. Break it down by category: clothing, toiletries, electronics, documents, to stay organized. Pack in advance. Don't wait until the last minute to throw everything in a suitcase. This gives you time to remember those little things you might have otherwise overlooked. And finally, double-check, triple-check everything before you leave the house. Make sure you have your wallet, phone, keys, and of course, that all-important passport. All right, let's talk about safety. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or embarking on your first adventure, safety should always be a top priority. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of exploring new places, but taking a few simple precautions can make all the difference. Traveling is all about embracing new experiences, but it's important to stay aware of your surroundings and take precautions to protect yourself and your belongings. This means being vigilant and prepared for any situation that might arise. First and foremost, keep your valuables secure. This includes your passport, money, and any important documents. Always use a lock for your luggage, and consider using anti-theft bags that have built-in security features. Don't flash large amounts of cash, and invest in a money belt or hidden pouch to keep your passport and extra cash close to your body. These items can be worn under your clothes, making it harder for pickpockets to access them. Be mindful of your surroundings, especially in crowded areas or tourist hotspots. These places are often targeted by thieves looking for easy targets. Keep your bag zipped and close to your body, and avoid carrying too many valuables with you. Trust your gut. If something feels off, it probably is. Don't be afraid to remove yourself from a situation that makes you uncomfortable. It's better to be safe than sorry. Share your itinerary with a friend or family member back home so someone knows your whereabouts. This can be incredibly helpful in case of an emergency. Make sure to check in with them regularly to let them know you're safe. And keep emergency contact information readily accessible, both on your phone and in a safe place. This should include local emergency numbers, as well as contact information for your country's embassy or consulate. Remember, a little common sense goes a long way when it comes to staying safe on the road. Simple actions like staying alert, avoiding risky areas, and not drawing unnecessary attention to yourself can significantly reduce your chances of encountering trouble. Additionally, familiarize yourself with the local customs and laws of the place you're visiting. This not only shows respect for the local culture, but also helps you avoid any legal issues. When in doubt, ask locals or do some research beforehand. When it comes to accommodation, always choose reputable places to stay. Read reviews and make sure the hotel or hostel has good security measures in place. Use the hotel safe to store your valuables when you're out exploring. Lastly, be cautious when using public transportation. Keep an eye on your belongings and be aware of your surroundings. If you're taking a taxi, use a reputable service and avoid sharing rides with strangers. By following these travel safety tips, you can enjoy your adventures with peace of mind. Stay safe, stay aware, and make the most of your travels. Happy journey! Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel content. I'm passionate about exploring the world and sharing my experiences with you. Remember, traveling is all about embracing the unknown, stepping outside your comfort zone, and creating memories that will last a lifetime. So pack your bags, grab your passport, and get out there. Safe travels, everyone. And don't forget to check the description below for special offers. Like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest travel tips.